Okay, guys, for this example, we are going to be building a quad, abbreviated for quadrilateral. It's going to be a four-sided figure. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to be placing a quad. It's going to come in somewhere like this. Okay, so it's going to look like that. All right, so we're going to take it from here to here to here to here and back up. Okay, you guys can see I even put some numbers up here to help us represent this quad. And when you're building a quad, we're going to notice here, I'm going to break this down into four sections. So we're going to say x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and then x4, y4. And again, you want to try to visualize this where you're going to have this on your canvas. It definitely helps if you draw it out first on a piece of paper, see what the quad looks like, and then try to code it here. So for our code to make a quad, or the example that I have, I'm going to type in quad, and I'm going to put in my x1 value, which is 200, and my y1, which is 100. So I'm actually coming in 200 pixels, so it's going to come down right about here, and come down 100 pixels along the y-axis. And then for my x2, I'm going to go 250. So you're noticing this, I'm having a quad that's going to be about 50 pixels wide. And to keep it along a parallel line, I'm going to use 100 for my x2, excuse me, for my y2. So it's going to go straight across like that. All right. So I'm going to come down along an angle. So now I'm going to put in my x3, which is going to be 200, and my y3, which is 300. So I'm coming down about 200 pixels down. Okay, down along the y-axis. Now for my x4, I'm going to use 150, and my y4, I'm going to use 300. And you'll see that I will have a nice quad here, or quadrilateral. Okay. Pretty basic, pretty easy to do. You can use this for many different shapes. When we get into projects such as our house, where you can have like a rectangle in the base, and then you could use a quad as the roof. That works very well too. And I'll show another example for that one. If you have any questions, please let me know. And best of luck creating your quads.